A big hello to all the blessed souls who have taken out time to listen to my video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sparsh Heal Your Life. I am Kanika Madan, a counseling psychologist and a special educator by profession. Okay, to start with, why do I address all of you with this term, bless souls? This is because I actually feel that each one of us is blessed with something or the other in life which someone else is actually looking for or yearning for. So, a house to live in, beautiful friends, supportive family, people to talk to are actually the blessings in life. And we, in a constant urge to acquire new things in life, forget to cherish the small things in life that we already have. So we must always cherish the small and little things that we have in our lives, and must always remember to thank God for the same. So the topic for today's video is understanding your emotions, हमारी भावनाएं, हमारी feelings. Emotions, I know it's a very less talked about topic among friends, family, colleagues. We often end up talking uh, about parties, about clothes, about shopping. But emotions are one thing we hardly talk about. So जब हम दुखी होते हैं किसी चीज़ को लेकर, तब तो हमारे लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है किसी को एक्सप्रेस करना दैट वी आर एंग्री अबाउट समथिंग और वी आर सैड अबाउट समथिंग. इनफैक्ट जब हम खुश भी होते हैं तो भी हम लोगों को ये बताना भूल जाते हैं दैट वी आर हैप्पी एंड so person made us feel good about something. So it's high time we have to start talking about emotions. हमें अपनी भावनाओं को, अपने फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करना चाहिए. Our emotions and our feelings are meant to be talked about, to be discussed about. So let's start with a small activity over here. I would like to ask you all how you are feeling right now at present. Many of you would end up telling me that you feel good or you feel bad. But do you actually think that these are the only two emotions that are present inside us? No, right? We humans have been gifted with enormous emotions, enormous feelings that we experience throughout the day. But because we do not have words to express, we probably choose to shut down and not to talk about them. So let's jump on to some theoretical aspect to it. What emotions are? Emotions basically are complex psychological state. So why do we call our emotions complex? That is because we actually have a wide spectrum of emotions within us. So what do I mean by the term wide spectrum? It means कि हमारे अंदर इतनी तरह की भावनाएं हैं, इतनी तरह की फीलिंग्स हैं जो हम खुद भी we ourselves do not know that exist within us. So much so that from each alphabet, from A to Z, we can name so many emotions. So for example, so over here, on somewhere on your screen, you would see you would see a diagram enlisting the various emotions that that exist within us. So alphabet A, so we can name certain emotions from alphabet A, such as annoyed, angry, anxious. B says brave, blissful, bothered, right? So B से bad ही एक emotion नहीं होता है, but there are so many other things we feel. Okay, so next time when you talk to someone and when you choose to share your emotion, make sure you go through the list of emotions and choose the right word to tell the other person how you feel. So let's take up an example here. Imagine that you end up hurting someone. After few days, you actually realize your mistake and choose to apologize. So when you approach the person, you end up telling the person that you feel bad about what you've done to her or him, right? Rather than telling the person that you are feeling bad about the same, you can actually tell the person you feel apologetic about your mistake, or you feel guilty that you did that to him or her. And you feel eager to apologize for the same. Just think how the other person would feel, or just think what impact would the use of proper words have on the other person, right? Okay, so the second part of the definition that I took up some time back says that emotions are psychological in nature. Why? Because our emotions exist in our head. They are not visible on the outside, right? So, a person who comes up and shares with you how he or she is feeling, or chooses to share with you about a certain experience he or she has had in his or her life, remember to give a listening ear to that person and listen to him or her with all your heart and with an open ear, because what he or she is going through is important. So emotions, basically, our feelings and our emotions are comprised of three broad components. The first is our subjective experience. The second is certain physiological or bodily response to it. And the third is our behavioral or expressive response to that emotion. We would touch upon the components of emotion in our next video. Till then, remember to count your blessings and to thank God for the same, and choose the right word to express how you feel. And always remember to share and to tell the other person how you feel about a certain situation. Talk about your emotions. Till then, goodbye. And if you like my content, do not forget to like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel, Sparsh Heal Your Life. Lots of love and blessings for all of you.